How to sign in or create an account on Coinbase. If you want to sign in or create an account on Coinbase, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Coinbase application here. Once you launch the Coinbase app, first of all, if you already have an account, you can tap on the sign in button located at the top right hand side of the screen, and then you will be able to simply enter your account details like your email and password and then successfully sign in. Now if you don't have an account yet, you can just tap on the create free account button. Now you can also directly continue with Google, or you can choose to tap on the create free account button right there and simply enter the email address where your Coinbase account was associated, or maybe you want to use your Coinbase account with. So once I enter the email address I want to use, I can tap the continue button there, and you can see it will ask you to verify the 6-digit code that was sent to your email. So you want to make sure to go ahead and then verify that as well. So you can simply go ahead and make sure to enter the code, and after you've done that, you will be able to enter and choose a password, and then your Coinbase account will be successfully created. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then create an account or sign in on Coinbase. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and as always, see you soon in the next video.